Third, SST chapter number 1, our Earth. The Earth is a planet. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. Earth is a planet, and a planet is heavenly body that revolves around the sun. This is the Earth and it revolves around the sun. The Earth is the only planet that has life. Only on the Earth we can able to live, not on other planets. The sun shine on the Earth to give heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. The Earth contains water, that is very important for all living being. Earth contains water, that is very important for all living being. All living being means who will come? Animals and plants. A large portion of the earth is covered by water by the land. This is the earth you can see, and that you can see this blue color, all it is water, and only this green color you can able to see, that is only the land. So I have make this here picture that I am taking this near, so you can see this I have make a round, and in that portion I have make. So the colored one are water, and only one part of the earth has land. Hence, sometimes the earth is also called the blue planet. It has air all around it that helps us to breathe. You can see this, and around it the air is there, so we can able to breathe. This layer of the air is called atmosphere. This layer of the air is called atmosphere. We breathe in air. We are breathing air. Eat plants and animals, drink water and stay warm. All living beings get food, water and air from the earth. All living being means who will come? Animals came, birds, then plants, everything. They are taking food, water and air from the earth. Neeraj asked, we all have a family. Does the earth also have a family? Miss Soni replied, yes, the earth has a family too. It has 7 planets in its family. Together they make 8 planets. First is earth, and it has 7 planets in their family. Means together total, how many it will? Total 8 planets. The sun is a star and the head of the family. Sun is the star, and after that earth is there, and the remaining 7 planets means 7 planets plus 1 earth, 8, and sun is the head of the family. The sun and 8 planets form the solar system. Now, shape of the earth. The next day, Neeraj went to the library and read a book on the earth. In the book, he read that hundreds of years ago, people feared to travel long distance. Before 100 years, people are feared for traveling for a long distance because they are thinking that he could not understand why, and so he asked Miss Soni that before 100 of years, the people are feared to travel long distance. They don't understand. They could not understand that why they are. So Miss Soni answered, this is an interesting question. Long ago the human world thought that the earth was like a flat like a square with edges. Square and edges means corner. You can see this. So this is the edges of that edges. Then they even feared that if they travel too far off land, then chance were they will fall off. They are thinking that if it is a flat, then whenever they will travel for long distance, then after when the end come, they will fall down. But then we had some learned men like Aristotle and Copernicus, who said that the earth was flat at all but was like a ball without any edges. Copernicus and Aristotle ने ये find किया कि the earth was flat. The earth was not flat at all but was like a ball. उसने बोला कि earth flat नहीं है लेकिन वो कैसा है? Ball जैसा है without any edges. Around 500 years ago, counting Miss Soni, counted Miss Soni. Ferdinand Magellan went on a cruise. He started from Spain and sailed in the same direction for 3 years. He had started. He went in a cruise and started his sailing from Spain and sailed in the same direction 3 years. After 3 years, he sailed west and reached the same point. He had started from Spain and from west and reached to the same point from where he had started. This proved that the earth was flat but round. Not flat but round. This proved that the earth was not flat but round. Neeraj looked far ahead and asked, Miss, when I started on my terrace, at times I feel that far away the sky bends to meet the land. Here Neeraj looks far ahead and asks, Miss Soni, when I stand on my terrace, when he is standing on his terrace, at that time I feel that away the sky bend to meet the land. He is thinking that the sky and land both are meeting. My mother tell me that it is not so, but it look like magical huge from a height. Her mother replied that it is not a truth, but it is like a magical. So you can able to see like that. You can see this in the picture that this is the sea, and from this side the sky is you can see. So this water and the sky both are meeting each other. Yes, it does look like the sky and the earth meet at a point when you look at it from any height. But understand the difference, they seem to meet, but in reality they do not meet. You can able to see that the earth and the sky meet each other, but in reality it is not. So horizon is the place where the land or the sea seems together to meet the sky. But Neeraj, the land and the sea meet in reality. The land and sea meet really. The place where they meet are called coast. You can see this that earth and the sky meets each other. So that place is called the coast.